Welcome back to Mojo Adventures. Today we are going to do a special update on everyone's favorite boat wreck, the monolith of Lake Mead, Skyward. This boat became an icon of the Western drought a few years back when it re-emerged at Lake Mead. Sometimes instead of running through a bunch of numbers, it's nice to have a simple visual indicator of the changing water levels instead. And what better reference than Skyward? You know we love lining up the before and after shots, so let's start by rewinding back to 2022. In our second before and after video, we pointed out how Skyward's bow was just barely sticking out of the water at the start of 2022. Skyward's deck was exposed as water levels continued to fall. Come August, Skyward had fully emerged, anchored upright in the chapped earth by its heavy engine. This is where it seemed the story would end. But then, something amazing happened. We were gifted a healthy winter and spring, which broke snowpack records in the Colorado River Basin dating back to 1983. As the snow and rain hit southern Nevada and the Colorado River watershed, life started returning to the seemingly dead lake floor. As water levels continued to recover, though, the water level rose closer, until it was once again touching the boat and submerging the new plants. Since then, the 20-foot gain of early 2023 had begun to swallow Skyward once again. This was really an incredible change to see happen, and it was mainly due to the record snowpack that occurred upstream in early 2023. Here's another before and after of the recovery that occurred between August of 2022 and July of 2023. By September of 2023, the bounty of spring runoff still being released upstream caused Lake Mead to nearly consume Skyward again. As you can see, someone attached a yellow flagpole at this time also, and it looked like the boat would soon disappear under the cold Colorado River water. But Skyward held strong, just barely refusing to go back under its watery grave. A lackluster start to 2024 in the upper basin contributed to the water level slightly waning throughout the year. And more recently, a long lack of measurable rain in southern Nevada extended into winter, trending water levels downward again. Currently, Skyward is very well visible and no longer in imminent danger of going back under. Reports show there's not much change on the immediate horizon for early 2025, which leads me to believe that Skyward will most likely be exposed throughout the coming year. Of course, all this is heavily dependent on the snowpack upstream in 2025. What do you think? Let us know down in the comments. And you might be wondering why, after all this time, are some of these boat wrecks still out there? A couple we've been documenting have already gone back under. Well, that's a great question a lot of you are interested in, so we're going to do a new update on that topic. I'll leave a link here when it's done, so make sure to check that out. I think you might be surprised at the info. Until then, the Skyward boat wreck remains both an icon of declining reservoir levels in the west and a benchmark in an odd desert lake with many other secrets. At least viewers of this channel can say, surely it's not the worst thing they've found there. Many secrets that were revealed during the drought still have not been solved. If you want to learn more, check out our Lake Mead Secrets video. And if you want to learn about a boat wreck mystery that was solved, check out the story of Quickscrew. Stay hydrated, stay happy out there, and we'll see you next time for Mojo Adventures.